Welcome to this deeply healing forgiveness meditation. Today we are not here to justify what happened. We are not here to deny your pain. We are not here to force yourself to feel something you're not ready to feel. We are here for one sacred purpose: to free your heart from the burden it has been carrying. Forgiveness is not about the other person. It is about you. It is about releasing the emotional weight that has been living in your mind, body, and energy field. Every time you replay the hurt, your nervous system relives the trauma. Every time you hold on to resentment, you unconsciously give your power away. Every time you choose forgiveness, you are able to reclaim your peace. So allow this meditation to become a gift to yourself, a gift of release, a gift of healing, a gift of freedom. Take a comfortable position. You may sit or choose to lie down. Allow your hands to rest gently. Close your eyes. Take a long, slow breath in through your nose. Exhale fully through your mouth. Again, let's repeat this. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel the relaxation in your mind and body. Imagine, as you inhale, you're taking in the energy of peace. As you exhale, you're releasing the tension that the body may be carrying. Allow your shoulders to soften now. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your forehead. Let your body begin to feel safe again. Remind yourself, you are protected. You are guided. You are supported. It's time now to bring your awareness to your heart center. Place your hands over your heart. Gently rub your heart, your chest a few times. By doing this, you feel a deeper sense of connection with yourself. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath as you are rubbing your chest area. Now, bring to mind the person that has caused you some pain, hurt, disappointment, maybe anger or bitterness. Notice what emotions arise as you think of this person. Sadness, betrayal, a sense of unworthiness. Allow yourself to witness these feelings as they are coming one by one, without any judgment. Continue to breathe normally as memories of this person or the past come to your mind. Remember, you're not weak for feeling this. You're human. Your feelings are valid. And you have to be kind enough with yourself to allow the healing to take place. Acknowledge these feelings and take a deep breath with me. Relax as you exhale and silently say, I acknowledge what I have been carrying. I'm ready to heal. I acknowledge what I have been carrying. I am ready to heal. I acknowledge what I have been carrying. I am ready to heal. Now, as you think of this person, Say to this person mentally, I forgive you for everything. I bless you. I am free. You are free to live your best life. Feel the energy of the words as you say them. I forgive you for everything. I am free. You are free to live your best life. Feel the energy of blessing coming through you, even if you don't fully mean it. The intention of blessing the person is everything. You may even imagine the person standing before you, or just let their image come to your mind. These words, remember, do not excuse their behavior. It just helps you release the emotional charge. The karmic connection with this person continues to grow if you stay bitter about their behavior. And so, feel the release as you say, I forgive you for everything. I bless you. I am free. You are free to live your best life. Take another deep breath in. Feel the relaxation and lightness in your mind and body. Now think of yourself as a little child. Your own childhood image may come to your mind. Imagine your younger self standing before you. Look at this child and say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me for whatever is in me that may have created this. Thank you for choosing to clean with me. I love you for everything. These are healing words, cleaning mantras that you are using for healing your own inner child. Every hurt, pain, resentment, bitterness that you have carried, your child has felt very deeply within. It has been carrying it for so long. Whatever you are feeling today is nothing compared to what the child has been feeling. And so, as a mother, as a parent, you're saying to your child, I'm sorry, I should have known better. I'm sorry, I have been holding on to this for so long. The two of us are suffering today because of me knowingly, unknowingly having carried this. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let these words cleanse your heart. Let these words release all expectations of how things should have been. Let these words release all stories. Let them release all the pain. Imagine giving yourself a warm, tight hug. Feel the connection with your own inner child. This is your subconscious mind connecting with you, cleaning with you, healing with you. Keep a smile on your face as you feel a deeper sense of connect with yourself. Promise your inner child, from today, we will only hold on to good things. We will only speak good words. We will only have good feelings for ourselves and others. For ultimately, what we feel from within, we will continue to attract. Today, let's promise. We will take good care of ourselves. And we will only and only welcome good experiences in our lives through our good thoughts and feelings. If there's anything that we cannot handle, we will surrender to God and He will guide and guard us. Imagine your inner child in your own heart now. Imagine your own subconscious mind, your little self feeling safe in your heart. Take another deep breath with me now. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Relax. I'm slowly going to count from 1 to 3 now to help you come out of this meditation. 1. Smile as you recall all the good things that have happened to you in your life. 2. Be grateful that you could do this cleaning meditation with your inner child. Promise your inner child that you will always be encouraging the child to let go, to clean, to heal. That you will always be there for the child. 3. Keep a smile on your face. Rub your palms against each other. Gently place them on your eyes. And slowly you may now open your eyes. Remember, forgiveness is a journey. And today you have taken an important step towards that freedom that you deserve. You do not forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because you deserve peace and joy in your life. Remember, this little exercise, if repeated daily, will help you feel that positivity that you need in your life to complete your own tasks, to fulfill your own dreams and desires. I hope you carry this light within you and also encourage your own loved ones to do the same. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.
If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.